We're in Crawford, Georgia today for the Restoration Run 15K race. It is November the 17th. Temperatures in the upper 30s or low 40s. Sunny skies, a little bit of a breeze. It's another great day for a race. Here's the start of the 2012 Restoration Run in Crawford, Georgia. 15 kilometers. Let's go, Donna.
What Roger doesn't have any way to be.
Tony! Hey, Bill, get him.
I was kind of scared of what $6 sometimes. I'm kind of scared.
Well, everybody's safely off for the 9.3 mile run. Number one, good job. First finisher was in 1:03, about 05, I believe. That was Jeff Lukic that won the overall. Good job, number two. Good job, number three. Number four. Good job. First female, Donna Presley. Good finish. Kick it in there. Good finish. Finish. Good job.
Go, Rhonda.
Rhonda ran both races. Way to go, Cheryl.
Good job, Cheryl.
Way to go.
There.
You got it made now.
Really there.
Good going.
Good job.
Good going, Roger. You got it. Good finish. Good job. Good job. Good finish. Good job. Good job.
And it was.
Yeah, man. Good job. Way to go. Way to go.